You need to know how to add text to your digital graphic. So the main tool you'll use is here on the left hand side. It's called the horizontal type tool. This is the basic text tool. So when I click on it, it gives me the cursor. It looks like I'm about to type, and the properties are all up here in the properties toolbar. So this changes the direction in which I type. This one here is the type of writing that I want. I'm going to choose that one. This, for example, gives the size. Now you can go higher than this. You can just type it in. So, for example, if I wanted 100, I could just type 100 in and press enter, and it makes it size 100. That's to do with the clarity of the outline of the words. This is the alignment as to where I want the text to be left aligned, in the middle or on the right. And this is the color. So again, I can use my color picker tool. I might just choose something like a bright blue. There we go. And that's the basics. You can do other things with the text, which I'll show you in a minute. But basically, when you click on here, the text automatically makes a new layer. So you don't have to worry about making any new layer for the text unless you want different layers for different lines of your text. So just be aware of how you want it. So if I put here how to grow, press enter and press daisies like that, that whole text will move together. If I wanted daisies to appear on a new layer, I'd have to make a new layer in the bottom right here. I'd have to tick here first to say I'm finished here, and then create a new layer with either the text button or pressing the plus sign down here. Anyway, once I've done my text, I can highlight it. I've got to be on the text tool to do that, otherwise it won't work. So if I decide I don't like that blue colour, I could click on there and maybe change it for a more suitable green colour, like that. If I come off the highlight, there you go, you can see the colour. If I want to move it, you'll notice when I'm on the text tool that the cursor, when I hover around the edge, changes to the 4 arrows, the move sign, so I can click and just drag that there like that. That's obviously too big for what I want, so I'm actually going to highlight that and make it a bit smaller. So I'm going to take that down probably to about 60. That's fine for me. Okay, again, I'm going to move that to be roughly centre like that. If I come off my text tool and use the move tool, I could also use that tool there to then click on the text and move it. Different ways of moving things, that's all. So that's kind of basic text. If I want to change it slightly so that it takes on a different shape, if I go back to my text tool, highlight the text that I want to change and use this button here, and then choose, it's called warp text, and then choose style. I can have it in different styles. So say, for example, I wanted it to look slightly bulgy, I might have it like that. If I move that out of the way, I can see what it looks like, and I can do that to change it. So you can just play around with these sliders, basically. Press OK. There we go, and I could then move that again if I wanted to, depending on what I want it to look like.